Sorry about the example not playing for L'Hopital's rule, but I wanted to make sure we all are refreshed on this. So if you're asked to take the limit of a function that's an indeterminate form 1 to infinity, all right, that's an indeterminate form that we want to move, that's a terrible, 1 to infinity. My new stylus is coming, be patient guys. It's an indeterminate form, all right, and we want to get it into the form that we can use L'Hopital's rule, which is 0 over 0 or infinity over infinity. So for this problem, we're going to use logarithms. All right, so we're going to use logarithms to actually, the first video I spoke to you in general terms, general theory of how to do it. Now here's an example. So we're going to take the logarithm of this function, which is going to drop the exponent down, right? So you're left with the limit as x approaches 0. Right? That exponent becomes a constant multiplier, and then you're going to take the logarithm of the base function. Okay? Working some algebra on this. All right, let's just, an easy one, actually. We're going to combine write everything over the denominator x, which is immediately in 0 over 0. It's in the correct indeterminate form to be able to use L'Hopital's rule. So you just take the derivative of the numerator and the derivative of the denominator, right? So the derivative of the numerator is 1 over 3 times 1 over 1 plus 4x, right? We're taking the derivative of this now. Times the derivative of the stuff. You got to use the chain rule, right? Which is the derivative of the inside function, which is actually 4. So the derivative of the numerator is 12 over 4x. The derivative of the denominator is just 1. Oops, forgot the limit. So this limit now, right, is equal to 12 over 1 plus 4x. Okay, and the limit is 12. Right, substitute x equals 0 into the equation, and you get that limit is equal to 12. Therefore, the limit of the original function, right, you have to recall that the limit of the original function is just e to the l, which is the inverse operation of the logarithm, right? So it's just e to the l, which in this case l is 12. So the answer is e to the 12th. Okay, that's a quick refresher on L'Hopital's rule for the indeterminate form 1 to infinity and moving it to the indeterminate form that you can use L'Hopital's rule on. You will see quite a number of these examples, throughout our work. So make sure you're good with it. And that was chapter 4.7. If you need some refresher, and I believe I assigned your MML assignment for you to do some practice runs if you need to. Okay, good luck.